Hey, good evening, everybody. Do a quick little unboxing here. We're not exactly sure which is which, but we're going to be opening this. And it is strangely over-taped. So, here we go.
This is after coming out of the first box that it was in, which
Yeah, we're not exactly sure which one this is because we got some packages mixed up here. And not everybody, like if you order from like certain people, you don't always know who it is because we got like 3 or 4 mystery boxes we're waiting on, 2 or 3 different eBay purchases. And we think this one's his, or it could be a vintage, not vantage mystery box. But this is definitely overtaped. Still working at it.
think I'm in.
Ooh.
They are my Punisher books.
All right, these are his eBay order. Oh boy. Yikes.
They're in another bag.
Oh, okay, that's good.
So they're, looks like they're all loose in one bag, which they are. Not a winning box, just something I've needed for my collection, so I'll just do them real quick. Number 2, 7.
These are nice.
Yeah, I'll have to bag and board them. 8. 9. 10. 11.
That looks like the same as.
And 12. And I needed the last couple of these, but it was cheaper to buy the whole group than to try to get them individually.
Throws me off the blue shirt. Pretty cool covers. Oh. All right, let's put those back in that bag. All right, gonna do a little quick show off. Now I got the volume 1 Machine Man newsstand edition. Number 2 number 3 and finally number 4 in the 4-part miniseries. Had these forever. Great shape, beautiful books. Have not read these yet, but I'm going to give them a check out. All right, quick update. We do have a Vantage box coming our way, 2 Spidey boxes, and a company called Vintage. But anyways, you guys all have a great night. What's that?
How about my other box?
Oh,
Real-
yeah, oh, yeah.
real
Let's
quick.
do that. We got
The
one more to
one-
open.
A little more interesting than the Punisher ones that I just opened. Is that this one?
Yeah. Forgot about that box.
Get in
Forgot. This
here.
was the forgot. We've been holding on to this one because we wanted to do a video, but we weren't able to hook up last weekend or the weekend before. So he's had his book sitting here for half a month. Oh boy. Anybody need some Walmart bags? Just kidding. It's okay.
Shit. Same deal on the inside. Packaged very well.
We'll just throw those on the floor for now.
These are Punisher appearances. And I've been
Nice box.
had my eye on these books for a little while. because of the price, I haven't got them. I think Stevie B will like these. Put them in order. Okay, these are Hulk with the Punisher appearance. Red Hulk.
That
Claire. Yeah, that's better. This is number 14. Punisher's on the cover. There, tilted that way. Hulk number 15. This is the first appearance of the Red She-Hulk in here. There's a variant cover of that with Punisher on it, but I'll take that cover. Number 16. And 17.
Never saw the Red She-Hulk. Let's see. It's hard to see these. Let's give you a little close-up of this one. I'm not familiar with this series at all.
It's just Hulk,
That was
not
number
Incredible Hulk. It's no. 14, 15, 16, 17. Number 14, to buy it by itself is like $10. 15, 25, 16, 20, and 17 like 15. So it's over $65 to buy them separate. I got them for 50. If you think I
Awesome.
overpaid, I'm fine with it.
Yeah, they're nice.
Yeah.
Look perfect, actually. So everybody, hope you're having a great day, good evening, whatever time it is in your area. Remember, keep collecting. We're
See ya.
out.